Hi friends, the signal on my Niva has disappeared, and after disassembling it, we discovered that the contact had broken off. It was originally riveted in place. Now we'll try making a homemade contact and install it with a screw. That's it, friends. The contact is installed and shaped to fit the other contact. Let's install the steering wheel and check if the signal works. The contact is springy, so it will exert a firm pressure, preventing the contact from breaking. All that's left is to tighten the steering wheel evenly, and we're ready to give it a try.
Вот. Готово.
It seems like this is working. As you can see, the car now has a horn. Subscribe and see you in the next videos.